How do you update this? Oh, it's just a command. Press U. Bro. Press U. Quit. Anyway, anyway. See. So if you do test import and random, okay. So left main. Import this root function from math import sqrt. So you have to enter the value for n. Number is equal to, number is equal to, so it's gotta be integer, so wait a second. So undo int input. Please enter a number. So exception handling try. Except if the user does not input numbers value error as in print error. Was it n plus 1 or was it n? Yeah, 2. Yeah, for 1 plus 1. Because it's not gonna be right. So, find the square root of the number of n. So, it's gonna be square root is equal to sqrt 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 and then the number. So this is going to be square root will return, so square root will return of type float. So we need to int and then here. So find the prime numbers in the list. So for I in range length of prime numbers. Was it length of prime? No. 2, yeah. For I in a range of two to the square root plus 1. So and then for j in a range, I only remember this part. I think I times I n, and then was it n or was it n plus 1? I think it was n plus 1, and then instead of I, and then so prime underscore numbers of j is equal to none. Huh. Oh yeah, because we started at we can't do like that because the thing is separate. So not this, so this, and then paint. Basically, we have an array. If I is equal to 2, the I is 2. So if j, it will start at I times I, which is going to be 4. But this is clearly not the index. The index of an array, let's say the index is x, is going to be 0. So we need to like do the manipulation. So 2 minus j. So then we get the like 2 back. So then we can point at this point. But here also we are not starting at 2. We are starting at 2. Yeah, so we are going to be starting at 4. But 4 is gonna check minus 2. I think you get the point. Basically think of this as the array, like so, and now it has been just like displaced by 2. We are not taking the consideration from these two values because 2 and 3 are always going to be whatever n may be infinity. So 2 and 3 are always going to be prime, basically. So we start at the 2.2. So 0, 1, 2. We start at here. Here we start, and then this becomes here. So now when you're accessing this, you're not gonna be accessing this part. You're gonna be accessing j minus 2. Hence j minus 2. But why are you not getting accessed? No, is it good? It said n plus 1, yeah. What? Wait, print prime underscore numbers. Score numbers. So see, and then 100 to 200. Yeah. So why is it not getting accessed? Everything is correct for the moment. I don't understand why. Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, I'm writing the same fucking code. I mean, I did not do this. I did this, but I did not do this. I placed the square root function. So I don't understand. Prime numbers. Prime numbers is going to be like prime numbers minus 2. So prime numbers, I don't know. Scripting under cannot be assigned the value of type int. It's gonna be equal to none. What? Okay, let it be. So we have marked it prime. Let's go numbers. Instead of print prime underscore numbers. Oh, you see? Yeah, it's good. So if you can see here, but why does it say default 100, for example? So none. So we have all of this. So now we need to remove the prime number. So the prime underscore numbers is equal to x for x in a range of 2 to n. I forgot. No. Okay. If it's not none. Okay. X if x is not none. Okay. Oh, so I can do this. So for x is for x for x in length of prime underscore numbers. Yeah, I'm trying. So if x not none. This was not close. What do you mean this was not close? Oh. Again, this was not close. Why? Why are you doing this? But if I do delete in prime underscore numbers, again I get the same error. Why is the error? Excellent. Why? And then print prime underscore numbers. Let's try this. What have I done? Is not none. Is not none. Yeah. Is, bruh. Said it. Is not none. Yes. What am I doing? Python main.py 100, for example. Oh no. What? Oh, because it's in range of prime. We can't do range of prime. So 2 length of. Let's try this. No, still nothing. But what if we print here? What if we print prime numbers here? So prime underscore numbers. What if we print prime numbers here? So it does get the. So if I do this, I'm testing, okay? And range of. Yo, no way, bro. I titled the stream as the same title. So what arrived at youtube.com. Then if I go here, if I do Google account, if I do videos, if I do live, day 15 and day 14, so it's gonna be day 16 then. So yeah, day 16. I'm actually failing, by the way. That's not a joke. I'm actually failing. In prime underscore score numbers. Hundred, for example. So, and then I'm gonna say then 1000. Yeah, yeah. Now, what I am going to do, I am going to do this again. I'm gonna restart everything. I'm gonna do this again. So, this I can. No, I need to practice. So, what I do is I'm gonna say Control A, delete. So, def main pass. Run the function. Now I'm run the function. So I'm gonna do it twice, like 3 times, I guess. So this is the first time, and I'm gonna do it the second time here, and I'm gonna do the third time with everything, increments and everything. So if underscore name is equal to underscore main. So main. So import from math import sqrt, and then and is equal to int input, please enter a value. Again, fucking hell. Try false. Accept accept value error as e print error. So e, and then this is going to be please enter integer numbers only. Enter an integer number only. So to input input, please enter a number. So so prime score numbers equal to number for number in range of 2 to n plus 1, and then for I in range 2 to int of the square root. But why is the function? Why is it not a variable? Sq from math import sqrt. I don't know. Sometimes works, sometimes not. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. And so +1, and then this for I, for j in range of I times I to n plus 1, because the range of the whole array to no, not the range of the whole array. Yeah, the range of the whole array, because we're only checking the numbers from 2. Okay, I will explain the C of Erastotin after I do this. So 10 I, so I, and then mark as non-prime underscore numbers of j is going to be equal to none, and then so remove the prime numbers, prime underscore numbers equal to x for x in prime numbers so prime numbers. If x is not none, then print underscore prime numbers. So I guess that is it. Hundred, bruh. Five hundred 100. As you can see, I have this. So again, I'm gonna delete everything. Def main pass. Okay, and then if so, this is the last one. I'm gonna run the main function if underscore name is equal to underscore main underscore main. Run the main function. Okay, so undo. So import the square root function. So if we have from math import sqrt, and then exception handling try pass set of value error. So we say print output the following message: if user does not input integer numbers, and then I'm gonna say what's n so f and so error is equal to that, and then so if I do print so please enter integer number only, and then you have that. So if I do n is equal to int input \n please enter a number. So create and populate the array a list. So delete a word. So list lit. So primes is equal to number for number in range 2 to n plus 1, and then I'm gonna say let me try something. For I in range 2 to the int of square of so wait GCC, and then so I say import math. Okay, it says that this is not accessible, so math dot this is going to be accessible now. Okay, I get it now. So this is going to be n, yeah, and plus 1, and then 9k, delete shift VGC, undo. This is going to be good, and then this is going to be for j in range of I times I to n plus 1 to I, and then this is going to be primes of j minus 2 No, wait a second. To delete primes of G on S2. Okay, now let's try to say print primes. Let's try this. Never run this, so Python main.py 100. This is out of bounds, out of range. Yeah, because we're not deleting that number. I'm trying things. Oh yeah, this is out of. J is full initially. No, because I don't wanna mark it now. I just wanna delete it. So instead of doing that, so prime dot remove J. Let's do 100. Huh? Error. List of X is not in list. If I do prime of, no, but we're not accessing the, no, we're accessing the array, the array index. This is out of bounds again. I don't know. How can I remove that? I don't know. I need to learn it. I will learn it and tell you. GCC, and then primes, and then so undo. So if we do primes is equal to x in for x in primes, x if x is not none. If x is not none, and then clear Python main.py. So, and then I do 1000. I do 1,000,000. Ah, it does get stuck. Let's wait a bit. God damn. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. That gives us the number. Oh, sheesh. Okay, I have done this. So in the tested file, okay, def main pass. So if I do print hello world action, so if underscore name underscore is equal to underscore main is equal to main, then the Python testify. So now undo pass 0 def generate, so import the run int module, from random import rand int. Create 100 random numbers for I in range of 100 random number random underscore number is equal to rand int 0 to 100, and then I'm just gonna, for the moment, I'm just gonna input the put the number, print f, and then so index is I, and then the value is equal to random number. Then this is going to be something like that, and then 1 2, and then for the main folder function generate random python test.py. Okay, I should get another, yeah, I'm getting that. So now I need to classify that. But how are you gonna, given that you have okay, given that you have 100 random numbers, if you create a 2D array, you can have a 2D array. 2D array. Gonna get this, something like 1 here, get this, yeah. So for example, if the range is from 0 to 10, I input from here. I need to access the array which is like, for example, A, I, and then J, and this is going to be at 0, and this is going to be the columns. Yes, obviously. So if I but I'm gonna have to already create all of this, because I will have to have 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 90, and then 90 to such a back and forth, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and then 90 to 100. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we're gonna have, I'm doing this, so I'm gonna have to create 10 rows. So this is going to be, i's is going to be something like 0 to 9, and then the j is going to be at a random, so it's going to be random. Let's try this. The random number. So create a 2D list. So numbers is equal to, let's do something. T space E. So if I do, no, quit this. numbers is equal to, let's do this for the moment. So let's do this. So t space e main dot pi, and then if I do control a delete, if I do number is equal to this, for I in range of 5, col is equal to, so row is equal to that, array is equal to that. Okay, so col is equal to that. No, it's not gonna be col, it's gonna be row, and then for I in range of 5 again, append to row. So of the user value, so user underscore input is equal to int, for example, so input no, I can't, man. So input, so int input and please enter a number. So append that to so row dot append to user input. So and then say print, I'm gonna say append that to that, so array dot append row. So and then for I, let's just for I in range 5, for j in range so range of 5, print f, so array of vd value, array of I and j n t undo t, n is equal to nothing. No, n is going to be space. What is that? X this space this over here. Python main dot py 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's not good. What the fuck am I doing? I need to print this. And then also 1 instead of 4, so 3 or 3 or 3. So bruh. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is like that. So if I do J and I, what do I get? 1 2 3. Oh, bro. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I got 1 2 3. Now, is there a way for me to reverse that? So what if I get null? So instead of like so, yeah, instead of like, oh no, instead of, yeah, what am I doing? Instead of doing that, what if I do, for example, something like that? So if I do 1 2 3, and then I just like, so like that, and then 2 3, delete this, or 4 or 5, delete this, 6, and then delete that also. Now what is going to be the thing? It's out of range. So if I do RI and then RJ, it's gonna be out of range. Yeah. So if I do the length, delete instead of in array, and then for j in I. So what do I get? List cannot be a type. What? Argument of type list cannot be assigned to parameter s. If I uh yeah, just change that, I think. Or reverse. Just use reverse. So this is that, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if? So I want to. Wait, what? I want to check something. What if I do? Print array of 0, 0. This should not work. Oh, it does. Yeah, it does work because I'm not accessing. Yeah, because now I am accessing something like, if I do 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So 2 should get me 3 because I've accessed this. So instead, okay. So now, if I access this, so you're telling me I can just do dot append, no, or 0 dot append shit. Cannot be assigned to parameter of object type. What? 5. What? Really? Now I noticed that. Append. It takes of integer objects? Oh no! So, oh, I thought no. You can append things like. Oh, shit. I don't understand. Let me try this again. Print array. Yeah, it works. Why is this? I know it works. I don't understand this. So, why does it give me an error? Literal type shit cannot be assigned parameter object in a function. Why does it give me this error? No worries. So print so random number. So check each array. Check each number and decide where they go. This is going to be shit, but it's what I know. So yank this 9 paste and then control. So 16 to 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, nice. So if random number is greater or equal to 0 and random number is less than or equal to 10, so numbers that append numbers of 0 dot append a random number. So I can get that. So if random underscore number is greater or equal to 11 and random or random number less than or equal to 20, so numbers of this goes up to 1. And then if I do this, and then if I do 8 paste, so if I do 11, so 21, and then 30 here, and then if I do 31, and if I do 40 here, if I do 41, if I do 50 here, yeah, I'm gonna get back to the arrays later. And then this is going to be 70 here, no, it's gonna be 60 here. So 31, this is that, and then 61, 69, 70, and then this is going to be 70, and then this is going to be 80, this is going to be 81, this is going to be 90, and then this is going to be 100 undo, insert 1, and then this is going to be 91. So this is going to be 9, I guess. This is going to be 8. This is going to be 7. This is no. This is going to be 7. This is going to be 6. 6. This is going to be 5. 4 or 3 or 2. So if I do just like a randomly print the numbers, so I want to be able to see what numbers have come out. So I'm gonna create an array random so okay, no, undo numbers, that's numbers. So and then create random numbers, undo. So output is equal to this, and then I'm gonna also output this is just for testing. So output dot append and then random underscore number, random number space e delete, yes, random number. So I'm gonna print out the flipping print the numbers. So numbers, and then so let's try this. Python test.py. Okay, I can't understand anything. So for I in numbers, print I. Hey. Why does it always append to 0? Clear. Why does it always happen to 0? Python main.py. Python test.py. It's always appending to 0. So, no, it's not appending at all. It's not appending at all. Why? What? Why does it not append at all? Huh. But what if I do something like, wait, numbers of 0 dot append 2, and then if I do Python testify, it does not append. No, it's appending. It's appending to what? Fuck. I need to actually spacing this. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. Bruh, you joking me? If random number and yo, bruh, no, I'm fucking dumbass, bro. And that's a rookie mistake, huh? I mean, I'm a fool. There should be, and I did this in a test and I did it correctly. Now on stream I can't do it. It's good, good job, team. For J in I print F. So we insert J, so \T, and then so n is equal to nothing. No, it's gonna be space with the shift P, and then this is going to be reversed, and then numbers. So if I do no, this is not good. So forget about this. So GC, and then if I just do print for I in numbers, print numbers, I. The number seems to be correct because 11 is in 11 is in its place. 50 is in its place, yeah. 47 and 50, yeah, good. 55. Seems good. I mean, it is good. But why can't now? How can I print that in a format that is going to be? So let's try what I know. So what I know is I can do something like this. So if I do print, and then if I do print, and then if I do something like so, and then 100 100. I mean 10 seems fine. I guess 20 seems fine. And then I just print this again. If I do for I in a range in numbers, and for j in I, print f, and then the array into numbers of I and j. That is all I know. Yeah, think about that. Like, all you know is this. How is this going to be? Range length of numbers, range of I. Let's try this. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So j. What if I print j? Oh, you fucking joking me? This is the most shit code I have ever. This is the most shit code that I've ever done, bro. Why can't it add? No, I need this back. For I in array, yeah, print j. So numbers, and then set in I, print j. So it starts from that. So now if I do so undo, alright. So if I do u reversed, so numbers, yeah, because this is all good here, but when it comes to something like that, you get this error. So so instead of that, so let's say for I in range for I in array, print I. So if I made a by, so and spacing like this. How can I print the them instead of horizontal, make them become vertical? Let's try this code. What does this do? So instead of that, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna say reversed array. No, but it reverses the index. I don't need that reversement. So if print the element, if the current row has a column, otherwise print a blank space. Okay, move to that I understand. If col is less than the length of the row, yes. So does it exist? If it exists, yeah. If it exists, print it outputs that. So for row in reversed array. Okay. It's good. I'm not gonna lie, it's good. But I need the thing to be below. So, but here, how can no, there was the code, I think. So 6 1 2 3 reverse array, but I'm not getting that code thing. Let's try this code. I need this code. So space B GD identify. I'm not getting that. I need the thing to be below. It's not giving me the below. Is this correct? This is not correct, yeah? Length of row in row. Print the array in range max call for row in reverse array. If call after printing, yeah. It should print it in reverse. Why is it not printing in reverse? Why does it not print in reverse? Let's try this one, I guess. So, and then I'm gonna just paste this over here. For I in so max calls is equal to max length of so length of row for row in array for row in array, and so numbers, and then for in range for calls in range max underscore calls for row in for row in range max column for columns, each columns, yeah, for row, for that row now, in the array, in the numbers, if the calls are greater than the row, meaning that there is something there. So length of row, there's something over there. So if there's something over there, we print the row and the call. So row outside, call inside, yeah. So yeah, first, because row is here, yeah, obviously. So print f, so row, row and calls, and then backslash t, I guess, and is equal to this thing. I don't understand. Oh, okay, there's only backslash t. Okay, there's nothing. and then else we are going to print a tab or /t. Again, here the n is going to be like that, and then a print python test py. Okay. Getting somewhere. So if I do something like reversed underscore numbers, if I do something like that, I'm gonna get basically from the bottom up. How can I seek that value? Let's try this again. So this is still not good, because the last thing, I don't want the last thing here. Okay, I want this to be at the bottom, so the first line to be at the bottom. So to be at the bottom, you need to be a bottom. What if I do this? For the moment I'm understanding the code base, but what if I do something like that? So for in range of let's try. So if I do numbers, and then if I do range of max calls, and if I do row here, if I do calls here, no, it's gonna be the same. Max underscore calls this is a row, and then get item is not defined. So what is this? Calls, and then this is a row. What did we get? No, but oh, it's printing here. It's printing like this. Why the hell? I just did. So I basically took. I could have done simple, yeah. Oh, to the code that I just written. To the code this is just that I just written is similar to this. For I in array, for j in I, print so something like that. So f. Why is it not working? So numbers, and then for f is equal to something like numbers of I and j. What the fuck just happened? J is equal to n is equal to this. No. Undo. What am I doing? 50. I'm fucking tired now. 6 to 5, 6 to 10, 3, 2, so 6 to 10, 3. Huh? Oh, yeah. So basically, for the print here, wait a second. T new dash asgate. CD university. CD dot cp dash r python to GitHub university alias lg ac complete this today. Today university LG push. Quit this. Like this out of this. Control SC. So Control S. CD Python. No. Control S2. Python testify. So you have all of this, which is basically the same thing as. No, it's not the same thing. Why is it not the same thing? What? Oh. If I take a look at this Neovim space E test of set, because I'm a fucking fool. That is why. Python test.py. Python test.py. Control S 8. Basically the same thing. The code that I created is basically the same thing as that. So you're taking that range and the columns, if you're telling it to, yeah, basically the same thing. So this is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. What is going to work? I'm getting close. I'm getting close here. As you can see. But I need this line. So I need. I can't get out. Like I need this line right here to be at the bottom here. I don't understand. Black leather glove, no seat belt. Jumping on top of generation. The closest one. this I understand. So basically, for the length of the row, take the maximum row. So the length of the row, the row inside the thing, the row, and then you check the number. So you have a row here, for example, a row. So you take the length of this, the length, let's say L, and then you populate it. So you go for row in numbers. Wait, what? The maximum takes the maximum value. It checks. It is going to check. Oh yeah, I understand now. So basically you have one row here, but in our numbers array 2D list we have this. This is a square they are square brackets, by the way. So basically what it is doing is going like, okay, so let's say that this is our maximum, let's say that this is a maximum. So basically you say, okay, is this the, okay, take the value here and we get it, because it's gonna take the first value obviously, because the length of the, it's populating these max calls variable. So it's gonna do that. So okay, so no, this is not it. So now it's gonna go here. After it goes here, okay, so it goes like boop, 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 boop. No, I'm sorry. It checks the length of this. Okay, the length is not good. L is not good. Now it's gonna go that L is not good. Here also L is not good. Dot dot. So dot and dot and then dot dot dot. The same thing here happens here. Now if this is going to be the maximum, for example, if the length is 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, and then this is going to be 6. So it's going to be the taking the maximum value of that, because this is still a variable. It's not a list. It's basically iterating through the numbers thing, and then if it checks for the maximum value of the length, like I have said here. I understand it, I see it in my brain, I can't explain it, that's the problem. So this is the max calls. Basically max calls become 6. So and then yeah, but how can we draw it down? So yeah, so you iterate to that the calls, the columns, for columns in the max range. So each column, now we're talking about vertically, and then because we are checking, we are not taking like this, we are not doing horizontally, we're doing vertically now. So we're gonna say for row in reverse numbers, because we wanted it to be at the top. So if I remove this, so numbers, if I run this again, let's do so so this, it doesn't do shit. That's what I can't understand in the yeah, for numbers it checks for every, now it checks for every, for each column like this. Now it will go check print this out. Now if the column is greater, is less than the length of the row, so if the column is less than the length of the row, this means it's going to input, it's going to output every number. Else if the column size is greater than the length of the row itself, it's not gonna do anything. it's gonna output nothing, and it's gonna change line and stuff. I think I understand it. I think I understand it. I'm gonna take a break now. I've been streaming for 1 hour and 24. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna come back to it later, and at night I'm gonna do SQL.